When the mighty fall, they have further to fall than a smaller and arguably more nimble competitor. This is certainly true of Tesco, with CEO Dave Lewis desperately unwinding the peripheral business that Tesco has acquired over the years. The overseas businesses, the restaurants, the garden centres, to do what Tesco does best: grocery, household goods and clothing. There is even now a move to close on a daily basis some of the 24-hour stores that the company believed the public wanted. Tesco reports a trading statement on Thursday, and along with its fight to recapture market share from Aldi and Lidl, which will be central to this trading statement, Tesco's road to recovery has been made more difficult recently because of Amazon's plans to roll out a grocery delivery business. And the delivery arm of Tesco is something that the company has always taken as a minor business, but is now likely to become another central battleground. Well, there are arguments that the share price is becoming an increasingly compelling buy, but Tesco stock is being continuously buffeted by these long-term and now new competitive headwinds. This blue line on the far left-hand side of the chart is the point at which Dave Lewis took over from what we now know as then what was to become the interim CEO between Terry Leahy and now Dave Lewis, who took over the company. Dave Lewis came in as a man who had really no direct retail experience. He'd come in from Unilever, but since then you can see this chart has been bound by this these lower highs that we've seen, and the upside continues to be bound by this. Tesco has got an interesting upswing at the moment. It is now just around about the underside of that point. If we can get a daily close above that, we're currently trading at 159.3. If we can get a daily close above this rising trend line here, that then is a more bullish signal for the interim. But Thursday's news on the trading update is going to be critical. Upside is bound by this green line here, which is the 50 period moving average, the 50-day moving average at 167, some 7 pence above the point at which we're at the time of this particular broadcast. But overall, Tesco is in a downswing, and this is likely to continue as these headwinds continue for the company. So watch potentially for more downside for Tesco. Down as far as where? Well, possibly 137.1, which was the low that we hit back on the 5th of January.